famous Buck Floyd, owner of Boxzilla. Now, what's the year, make, and model of this bad ride you got behind you?
1980 Chevrolet Caprice.
Now, how long you had it?
We've been had it about 31 years.
So Buck, tell us a little bit about the car.
Well, we've been at it about 31 years. We started out in the street with it. And we just kept on putting stuff on it. And here it is now. Some people say it's a street car, some say it's a race car. But most time on race day, they change the whole mind.
So look, you got a big, huge drug race today. What's your prediction like? What you planning for the drug race against Blue Stock?
Well, I hope it go to sleep on the tree like it did the last time, so we can go ahead and take care of it. But you know, we ain't gonna do too much bragging. Well, race is a race, but we gonna show be at his neck.
All right,
I'm sure he has mine.
All right, we're looking forward to it.
We need you guys to stay off the track, put trash on the track. We need you out of the track, so you're going to put trash on the track.
You thought
We
you
were ready at 7, motherfucker.
You thought you were ready.
We ain't thought
You
ready
ready on
my
that
ass.
damn
We
bow
were ready at
circle.
7.
You
Bring
ready on
that slow
bow
motherfucker
circle.
on so we
I
can do
thought
it.
you gonna ride. I thought you gonna drive with your bad knee ass.
Damn right, them knees bad, but we finna go to your ass.
No, you gonna finna look at my ass.
We finna go to
That's what you
your
finna
ass.
do.
So bring that slow motherfucker
We
out.
finna come. We finna show you how slow this motherfucker is.
You always
I
gotta
want you to
take all
talk this
goddamn
motherfucker
night.
all the way back to Durham, North Carolina,
Yeah,
with
we
your
can be
back.
back in Durham right
That's
now,
what I
because we
want
been
you
there
to
whoop
do.
your ass.
You gonna get that slow enough.
We already been at home sitting chilling. Go to the
What up, fans at? What up, fans at? Nebo, you better put your boots on the ground.
Put your goddamn race suit on and bring your ass on.
I don't even mind what man ain't got no way.
Boost. How you feeling going into this long anticipated race?
Man, I feel great, man. You know, Luke put down a good shakedown. I feel good, man. The car been doing great. I feel like we in good shape.
All right. About to see how it turn out.
Yes, sir.
Cedric.